Hello guys, Times here, welcome to a new video, and today we have another unboxing. And this time we actually have an Apple accessory unboxing. As we're unboxing the Apple Lightning to Digital AV Adapter, aka Lightning to HDMI Adapter. So at the back of the box you can see basically what it is. It has Lightning on one side and HDMI and Lightning on the other side. So good thing about this is that you can actually charge your device while you're using it, because it has that extra HDMI port, Lightning port, and yeah, of course the HDMI port to connect it to a monitor. So we're gonna unbox it and we're gonna try it actually with a TV. Hopefully it will be more successful than my try with the Lightning to 30-pin adapter. If you didn't see that video, it will be somewhere here in the cards. But yeah, let's unbox it. So we don't need scissors or a knife or anything because we have this small pull tab, so we just pull it and it's open, and we pull this, and it's, for some reason it's like, if you open it like this it should be here, but no, it's at the back. So here it is, and here's all the paperwork, correct information. Yeah, nothing interesting, no Apple stickers of course because it's an accessory, but yeah, that's everything that's in the box. So with this, which is the adapter itself, no surprise there, and yeah, let's take it out of the packaging. It's actually very well put in there, but yeah, this is it. It's very short. If you compare it to the dock to Lightning to HDMI, it's actually pretty much the same. For some reason it's like way deeper, this part in the new one, and this one it's way shorter, so yeah, it's interesting, I guess, but it's what it is. So yeah, very simple. It's got Lightning here, and here it has HDMI and Lightning. You even get some text here and letters to let you know which port is which. And of course, what you will do with this is take a Lightning device and connect it like so, and then you can connect the other things. So yeah, now let's go ahead and try it. Oh, this is very cute. Actually, hey, this is very cute in iOS 13, I guess. But you do get this that you will be seeing somewhere here, the small symbol at the top, letting you know that you're using this. So yeah, anyway, let's go ahead and test it. Okay, so now we're here, we have the TV, and we have the iPhone, and we have the adapter, so we're gonna try everything together. So first we connect the adapter here, we get the blue bar with the little symbol, and then we take the HDMI right here and we connect it to the adapter like so, and ta-da, here it is, it's in the TV. So the bad thing, so to say, okay, so actually the iPhone 8 Plus has a resolution of exactly 1080p, which is the same as the TV, so it's perfect because it's exactly like it's edge to edge. Okay, so by default it's mirrored. You can see that whatever I do here, it's done there, which is not good, but there are certain apps that take advantage of the second screen. I'm going to show you two of them. For example, the first one is Keynote. So if we open Keynote and we open a random presentation and we actually click on the presentation, you can see that the presentation is showing on the screen, and here you can see like the presenter notes and the index and like the next thing. So you can see the next slide, you can control the presentation from here, see the introduction, like the next slide, the presenter notes, everything. So this is pretty cool, and you can even draw like on the slide, like the laser pointer, do some stuff. So that's very good actually. This presentation I have to present it in January for university, so this is gonna come in very, very handy. But yeah, and now I'm gonna show you the second thing I wanna show you, which actually, let me take the iPad for that. And if we open iMovie, there is an option right here to view the video actually in the screen, and here you see the small video and the timeline. However, there's, as long as I have found, there's not an option to only see the timeline in the iPad and not see the video here because you're seeing it there. But yeah, at least it's something, you know. But yeah, this is pretty much it. Also, it is possible to charge it, of course, while using it. If I manage to connect it. There we go. Yeah, it's charging. So yeah, this is the Lightning to HDMI adapter, especially useful if you have to do any presentation or anything. And yeah. Okay, so this has been the unboxing and review of the Lightning to HDMI adapter. As you can see, it's an adapter, so it's pretty straightforward. Doesn't have a lot of wonderful features. I really like the detail of the small adapter drawing in the status bar when you connect it. But yeah, this is it. So again, as every time, if you have any questions about the adapter, leave them down below in the comments and I will do my best to answer. And also, yeah, thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one. Please subscribe for more Apple-related content coming every week, and thumbs up if you like the video. And also let me know down below in the comments which adapters do you have for your iPhone or iPad, and if you want me to review any other adapter. So yeah, again, thank you very much for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.